of accuracy. Okay, so I will take example to clarify the things, but before that let me define both precision and accuracy. Precision refers to closeness of measurements to the same value. I am repeating. Precision refers to the closeness of various measurement to the same value. Accuracy refers to the exact value, or it is giving you the exact value to the result. I know it is not that clear, that will be clarified once I take the example. As we know that chemistry deals with experimental content. So, for example, we have an experiment, it should end with the result 2.0. Assumption, I am assuming an experiment which is ending with the result of value 2.0. So, to this value, to this experimental data, I will define or I will differentiate between the words precision and accuracy. See, if we will assume there are 3 students performing the same experiment, namely A, B and C. Okay, there are 3 students A, B and C who are performing the same experiment. As I said, the result of the experiment should end with 2.0. We will assume that this student has got 2 values. How much? 1.95 gram and 1.94 gram. Okay. This student B will assume he has got the value 1.94 gram and 2.005 gram. 1.94 and 2.05 gram. And let us assume this student C has got the value 1.99 gram and 2.01 gram. Okay, these are the readings obtained by all the individual 3 students. So, let me differentiate these 2 words with this example. See, in the first case, the values are 1.95 and 1.94. But I want the reading to be 2.0. But what is that student getting? He is getting 1.95 as one reading and 1.94 as the other one. Here, 1.95 and 1.94 are close to each other. ओके इंपॉर्टेंट है हमेशा 1 मार्क के लिए ऑलवेज इन दिस वन क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स? सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर मतलब आपको he will give you an example and he will ask how many significant figures are present in, he will be giving a number. See marks तो एक ही है लेकिन उस आंसर को लाने के लिए 4 steps you have to remember. Okay, so what are those steps? There are some rules to count out the significant figures. Which are those? बहुत simple है, just observe it carefully. The first rule says all the non-zero digits are significant. मतलब जितने भी नॉन जीरो नंबर से सारे के सारे सिग्निफिकेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 3 5 नंबर है तो कितने नंबर है 1 2 3 तो देयर आर हाउ मेनी फिगर्स 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. क्लियर? अगर आपके पास एक वैल्यू है 0 2 4 2 तो यहाँ पे कितने नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स है? सी ऑल द नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स आर सिग्निफिकेंट. 0 एक है उसको छोड़ देना है. नॉन जीरो कितने हैं 1 2 3 so there are 3 significant figures. You have to leave 0 because the rule says non zero digits are significant. One rule. Second rule क्या बताता है? Zeros preceding non-zero digits are non-significant. ठीक है, इसका एग्जाम्पल दे सकती मैं. व्हाट इज द रूल टेलिंग? नॉन-जीरो डिजिट के पहले जितने भी जीरोस है सारे के सारे नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट है. फॉर एग्जांपल सेम थिंग आई विल टेक 0 0 4 2 5 2. See zeros preceding non zero digits are non significant. इसका मतलब numbers have infinite number of significant figure. For example, आप कभी object ले रहे हो 10 pens. What I mean 10 pens. 10 pen का मतलब what I can do? अगर मैं सिर्फ 10 लिखूंगी, if I am not telling the word pen, there is number of figures कितने बनेंगे? Only one, because all non-zero figures are, all zeros are non-significant. तो इसके हिसाब से only one लिख सकती हूँ मैं, लेकिन मैं pen लिख रही हूँ, उसका मतलब I can add 10.0. अगर 10.0 मतलब figures कितने बनेंगे? 3 significant figures. 10.00 can become 4 significant figures. 10.000000. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 significant figures. What I mean to tell is, if I'm giving you the number 10 pencil, 10 blackboards, right? So that object I can turn, I can write any number of zeros after decimal. I can just put a decimal and then I can write any number of zeros. See, 10 का मतलब ही 10 ही है, 10.0 का मतलब ही 10 ही काउंट करेंगे, 10.00 also counts only 10, so on. So here I can add any number of zeros just by putting a decimal, and the rule says that is after decimal the right side whatever the zeros comes, those are considered as significant. Hence for that reason I can add any number of zeros and I may get any number of significant figures. So whenever you are counting the objects, the number of significant figures are infinite. जब भी आपको पूछ रहा है 10 books, how many figures? आंख बंद करके बोल देना infinite. 20 apples, how many figures? Infinite. Point is, it should give you the number of objects. And one more thing, if you have the value 2.0 into 10 raised to 3, see, it will be having how many figures? 2. If you are having 2.00 into 10 raised to 4, how many figures? 3 figures. What I mean to tell is, whatever this 10 power is there, you should leave it, because this story you know, the power how you got when you are shifting the decimal toward left. चिन्ह सर्कल लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करने के बाद you got the value as positive. So whatever, if you are having a question in exam, what is the figure? It is 2.80 into 10 raised to 10. How many figures are there? Just neglect this value and just count the 3. What are they? 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3 significant figures. So this was about significant figure. And just revising in short, rule 1, what is telling?